Okay, now on to the main course. So, following on in a sort of Malaysian vibe, we have got a beef rendang, some cauliflowery rice that we're going to turn into like a coconut cauliflower rice, some purple sprouting broccoli, which we'll find out where that's coming from, but I'm sure it's from somewhere pretty close. Some stir-fry dressing to go with the purple sprouting, and then a bit of sambal, chilli sauce to finish it all off. All right, so first thing, we get these guys heating up. I think in fact what we're going to do, we'll put that one in the smaller one. Okay, so that's on just a low heat, we're just going to let that go. I might just put a little splash of water in there. Okay, so I'm just going to pop just a little bit of water in there just to get it going, otherwise it'll start sort of burning before it cooks down. Okay, so it's on a lowish heat. Smelling good already, that. And then for the cauliflower rice, this is just coconut milk, so I'm just going to put that in. Okay, and then that amount of liquid in there, I'm just going to cook that cauliflower. Okay, once these guys are pretty much there, then we'll cook the purple sprouting. Okay, so this is the cauliflower rice. You can see that that's sort of almost disappeared now, that cauliflower, that coconut milk into the rice. And then the rendang is starting to bubble nicely. Then I'm going to start heating my pan. Put a little splash of oil in there. Okay, so the pan's just smoking, so straight in with our purple sprouting. Just a real little charring on there. Before we chuck in the stir-fry dressing, so in that goes. And then we just toss that together. Last bit of the dressing out, just to go over the top. Then our sambal, which is quite hot. Final little flourish of colour and spice. I think lots is good.